here today at the launch of W2, Vancouver's latest media arts community center.
We're creating a space here where bloggers, journalists, independent and community-based can come together, share resources, share stories, share ideas, and both be inspired by each other but also use tools and access production support. And we have 4 floors, 13,000 square feet to do this experiment with. And largely run by volunteers. We have 180 volunteers who believe in this idea that proliferation of technology provides opportunities for Canadians to tell their stories and to share their stories. That we believe that creative technology is a tool, when used appropriately, is a tool for a healthy civil society, is a healthy democracy, and what a great time to try that out in this little party that's happening in our town, the Olympics.
And some of that civil society criticism of the Olympics was on display at the W2 launch. A photo display of Olympic mascots criticized the lack of focus on poverty, the militarization of the city, and the limiting of charter rights. W2 is also Rabble's new West Coast home.
Rabble.ca is at W2 to report on basically the protests, alternative events, and the crowds that appear at the Vancouver 2010 Olympics.
We're really looking at people in particular who have systemic barriers to engage citizenship, because of social ills, because of national public health crisis, because of the lack of housing. We're one of the only countries in the world that has no national housing program. There's all these systemic barriers that people have, especially poor people. And so W2 exists in that critical area around what's often referred in the tech sector as the last mile. It's the digital divide. It's the places where Canadians don't have access.
With the launch of W2 and other community arts centers across Canada, you can be sure that different voices are going to enter the media landscape, giving you different news, different views on such big events like the Olympics. For Rabble TV, I'm Tor Sandberg.